almighty trouble.
Hello, lovely viewers. You're welcome to another episode on Boys Can Cook, and I'm your host, Noella. And as always, I have my lovely co-host, Lady Abrazil. Hello. Thanks for joining us. Today is another lovely episode on Boys Can Cook. I hope you've been enjoying the show so far, because I have. We have an interesting guest in the building. You know, the camera is a very powerful tool in the hands of a creative photographer, harnessing the energy of light to create mind-blowing images that stands the test of time. Today, sitting beside me is a renowned photographer. He is someone, when you mention photography in Nigeria, if you've not mentioned him, that means you've not started. We have Uche James Iroha in the building. Wow. I'm really excited to meet you in person and to have you on the show.
Same here. Welcome.
Okay, welcome to Boys Can Cook.
Ngwongwo.
Which one is Ngwongwo? Okay. Do you know how to cook very well?
As the spirit leads. If I'm desperate, if I'm alone and I need to eat something, I will conjure something immediately.
You sabi cook well. Okay, do you believe boys sabi cook past girls?
But the baddest guys that cook the baddest meals are usually men. I don't know about women cooking the best meals.
Really?
I'm telling you, the best chefs in the world are men now.
Best chefs in the world at the end of the day, they will just call me and quiet. Waiting.
No, but I did my own JJ when I carry me come here. I like to make something with like a snake pepper soup.
Really? Which one be snake pepper soup again?
Seriously? I walk around. Okay, my hometown, where I come from, in the southeast, is Abia State, Item. I'm up with Item. Alabawarache.
What's that?
Chai. You need a decoder.
Hello?
What's that?
No.
I don't understand. What's going on here?
What's that?
You won't understand.
Really?
No,
all this for food?
Some Igbo people won't even understand. In our place, there's this something we do. It's a delicacy, but it's also like a staple.
Okay.
It's called NDORI. We eat a lot of yams. So it's a yam sauce, vegetable based. And you can't eat it with a bar. You can't swallow it with a bar. You just have to.
Must be yam.
Yam, yeah. It's beautiful stuff.
And I like your dread, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Is that kind of short? Used to be
is this
long.
one? Is this your hair?
Yes, it is. All natural.
Like really?
Yes.
Well, she bought it
Are
from
you
money, so
busy?
it's her own.
Huh?
It's yours, it's your hair.
Okay, she
It is
imported the choice
natural.
house.
We'll take a quick break. Once we return, Uche James will start the cooking. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Hey! Oh, good. It looks like a shrine right here.
Like really?
So we'll go. Okay. So I need to watch these ones very well.
Are you telling us you're asking us?
I need to watch them and the yam. You know, when we're making NDORI with the yam, we wash off the soil around the yam.
Okay.
We don't peel the yam. We cut straight and we boil together with the back of the yam.
Really?
Because there are loads of nutrients on the back.
Okay.
Then after boiling, we peel off before we eat.
Really?
Yeah. But this kitchen is looking so so twitched up, but
Thank you very much.
Thank
okay, don't get a bit. You guys don't have firewood.
There's no fire. Inside studio.
So I don't like blue.
You don't like blue,
I prefer yellow.
but you want?
Let's get the yam washed out.
Okay.
Get the soil off the yam. And you know, it's critical to be clean whatever we do for health reasons. No, only God knows where to dug this yam from, man. This yam looks like.
It's nice, eh?
I tell you. Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, it's okay, but Ndidi,
I'm here.
you sound like you're far away.
I'm here now.
If anybody in my village sees me washing this yam like this, they just think, Uche, this guy, you've lived in Lagos for too long, man. You know? They will throw it into the pot and just get cracking.
Let's go.
I just finished washing the yam.
Okay.
But do you have like a detergent so I can wash the yam better?
I have.
Detergent?
It's close to me.
Okay.
We even have
We're making progress.
Yes.
all those other
I have
bleach.
sponge.
Nela, please leave us alone. I'm begging you in the name of God, please.
Why now?
I want to concentrate. There's still a lot of, okay, I need this. This is my group. Okay, well, I'm making NDORI. The most important thing is...
Inventory.
Not NDORI.
NDORI. That's what you're making.
I like your neck.
For what? Boss. My neck. Please don't like my neck.
Okay. Okay, vegetables, first of all, ugu. That's the key thing.
Okay.
Not a lot of salt.
Okay.
Not a lot of salt. There's salt there. Okay. Maybe a little, if you want to be funky a bit, you can throw in your onions, but a lot of spices, the pepper.
Okay.
Chai obo eat himself, obo chai.
What's that?
Crayfish, but we call it obo in my hometown.
Oboe.
Obo.
Obo.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's crayfish.
I'm learning.
Yeah.
Obo. Obo, crayfish.
Yeah. Well, let's go. If you the vegetable, let's.
Tell her.
Okay, let's find a place and chop this
way.
thing.
Okay.
I see fish. Chineke pula yojo.
NDORI needs fish too.
Yeah, we can do some dry fish movement there.
Some.
Please plug.
Now, guys, I wish you guys had seen this Akbola, man.
Wow.
This Akbola is affecting this cooking.
Oh,
When they come, I just send a photography, but I don't know send a food. As you see, as you take it.
Okay.
Okay, we're almost done here. Maybe one more. How many people are here?
There's so many.
Should we get Nola in this to eat?
Pity her.
I don't
But
trust
Nola
Nola.
likes food.
Yes, serious.
Serious man.
I don't know.
But she's so like my shots, and I don't think she eats a lot.
They are worse when it comes to food.
Aba people say
Don't
Worcester.
mind Didi.
In Aba we say Worcester.
Do I look like somebody that
So
eats?
Nola is Worcester.
Do I look like somebody that eats?
Hear English. Worcester.
So
It's still like pan
next
like
step,
this.
we get our
Pots.
and clean pot and on fire and let the yam start boiling. Now a pinch of salt
You
to
need
taste, but not a
music.
lot, just a little pinch.
Okay.
Yeah, we had that salt.
Are you using your hands?
I use my leg.
Yes, please.
I did my own jeju like own.
Be careful what you wish for.
Exactly, you might just get it.
Hey! Are you sure this is salt? Did you check it?
I can cook that like salt.
I just miss sugar.
Yes.
Sugar could be, some people make cook yam with sugar. That's terrible.
Yes,
isn't
some
it?
people do.
That's
Some people
terrible,
do.
isn't it?
No, it's not.
It's nice.
Yes.
Oh, it sounds evilous to me.
Even us.
So we'll just the best ugu for this thing is the tender ones, you know, towards the tender ones. Okay, look at this part. This is a very nice part. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the tender ones.
Yeah, in my place they call it onugu. Like
Onugu.
if they marry a beautiful
You are
wife.
there. You are there.
They
You
call
are
her onugu.
You are there.
Yes.
Totally lost, actually.
Continue.
Well, that's you're not Igbo now. You're
Says who?
half-baked.
Pure Igbo.
Ndidi is that kind of people that say, my mama say we are from Imo.
Yes.
So this is your special
So-
delicacy. You don't need any other vegetable apart from
Ugu, there's this one they call green. I don't know what it's called here, you know. You can go to.
Green, yeah, green.
Where is
Yeah,
green
everybody
there
knows
now?
green.
Kupola, where is the green? It's looking blue to me. I
All
didn't
the
notice.
leaves they are green.
Everything now.
So
Kupola.
use green.
from here to that end, green. Then
Now-
from
Now
here
green.
to that
Now-
end, ugu.
Nah, green, green.
They're all green now.
Green,
From
jaga.
here to here is green. No.
Nah, green,
No,
jaga,
no.
jine.
You know we gave you a special.
No, but the ugu is okay,
concession.
my dear. Ugu is okay.
Just to add creativity. You know you are very creative.
Great bubu only. So I'm trying to get these vegetables washed out clean. Huh?
Okay. Okay. You don't need more water.
No, we're good. Okay. Help me just wash this water leaf.
Oh, you need water leaf too.
Just briefly.
I
On the
don't know how to
side.
wash water leaf.
You see, okay. With your nail polish, Abi.
Yes.
I don't know how to wash water leaf.
Continue.
I can keep it for
So
you when
guys-
you are done, you wash it.
Just not too much, so it can be chewy when you are doing the NDORI.
Chew what?
So you add water leaf and ugu together.
You know, my people, we're close to the Ibibios and Efik, and our culture quite similar. And
Okay.
legends
They
have
eat-
it that we're from there.
Okay, so they eat a lot of vegetables.
Green, all the food is green.
Wow.
The idea of the cooking is to soften the leaf before we grind in the mortar, then we make our NDORI.
Okay,
really?
I think I've seen this before.
It must be
Really?
from me.
Some people call it
He said,
afifia.
he said it's from him. That means just cooked up this whole thing. It does not exist. I think so.
When you finish,
No,
you
for you to
call
have answered that way, it does not exist.
Noella.
I don't think it does.
No, I think
Noella.
they call it afifia.
Cut,
They
Noella.
eat it with yam.
No, it's with stick. They used to eat it stick. So this will simmer. Then we prepare.
Prepare what?
We need a mortar now.
There's mortar.
Yeah.
Which
Used to-
one? Small one? Big one?
No. You know the original mortar is the one you sit down and pound. But this is a Jabata mortar.
This one.
You have to put something on there for him.
No, it's
A
okay.
cloth. or
No,
something.
no wahala.
No.
Okay, it looks like we are good to go. Yes. Let's drink.
You are sure this is ready?
Yeah, it seems so.
Drink. So this your recipe, you don't need meat, you don't need...
No meat. No meat.
Okay.
No meat. It's a light for mostly farmers, you know.
For mostly farmers.
The key thing is the vegetables, the vitamins.
So people like families, they come just make this and eat.
You can do this quickly and move on to the day. It's not like a meat
Okay, it's not
meal.
a festive meal.
No. It's not. It's a regular staple.
Okay.
Most times dinner, just before dinner and in the morning.
After eating this, what else do you want to eat?
If you need to farm like 1 hectare of land, you will eat more. But you just take your car, you go to VI. Did stop laughing? Drain that. Let's drain that one.
Have you eaten chameleon before?
No.
Somebody that
I
said
don't
he wants
eat.
snake,
I don't eat
he wants
endangered
tortoise.
species. Okay.
No, but you said you make
We had a
snake, tortoise.
Tortoise, reptile
So-
stew.
Reptiles
Actually.
too.
They are all reptiles.
I need a plate to put my
Snake
fish.
is
inside.
reptile.
Wow. This kitchen is funky. It's not like a village kitchen at all. It's like a funky
Oh, because we're funky.
Instagram kitchen.
Instagram kitchen.
Don't overcook the vegetables, eh? So we throw them in and
You will use vegetable oil. I do have palm oil.
chili keep.
We must. I beg give am palm
If they
oil.
burn, no, wetin happen? You see, and now the pot don brown.
Which brown? Oh, nice.
Is it not burning?
Please give him palm oil.
Are you the chef here?
Like guys at home, when you want to do this kind of, remember your pot has to be burnt.
Yes, like more. You know the last one under buns, even fried rice. Don't mind.
Fry your vegetable.
So I'm
Fry it.
pounding
Empty
this
pots.
vegetable with just a little bit of. Ngongo.
You said you were not pounding, you just...
I need a frying pan at this moment.
We have frying pan.
Set it on fire.
Okay. You must stew pieces.
And so that as you
right?
are eating, you'll be taking bits and pieces of chewies, you know? Yeah, sure.
But they should add meat now. You should have meat
No,
in
no,
this.
no, no meat, no meat. If you
Why?
like, if you like, call police, no meat.
No, but you know, if you add meat, it will give it more.
No, that's
taste.
not
Go and call
without
police.
meat.
Go and call police.
Not eating without meat.
You're a tiger. Tiger. What will you tell?
Tiger does not.
What will you tell vegetarians? So let's throw in our ngongo, obidogo. Organic fire. On the blue jog a woman.
How? When I don't even know what you are doing.
Onions are not even. It hasn't
Okay.
been fried, and
You
you
don't
already.
even know what you are
Just
doing.
a little pinch of salt, okay?
That's sugar.
Then give me.
Okay.
Yes. And
Spices.
Pepper, yeah, spices.
With your hand. Pepper.
No, it's okay. It's
Eh,
okay.
eh.
What? Which kind of black pepper be this?
Eh, well.
It's okay.
Eh, well. Eh.
Okay. Let me just put, just for the sake
You
of.
didn't wash it though. Want to put it?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, wash it. Do you wash pepper? Do you wash crayfish?
It will have, why not?
Wash buko. We're gonna pepper.
With all the
crayfish.
flies that perch on it in the market.
In the studio.
No,
In the
it's many
market.
one now. It's many one. To give it that unique taste. This one.
Right, maltreating me.
How?
Guys, fish. Don't mind these busybody people here.
I'm helping you. Okay. Oh.
It looks good, doesn't it? Hey! Organic befa. Whoa. So, family, We'll put the
This thing
vegetable.
didn't pound well. Oh.
Go and call police.
Eh, you fry ugu. Ah.
If Ndoli.
Don't mind women. The best chefs in this world are men.
This thing will not
sorry.
be nice.
Leave it for us.
It will not be nice.
Go. Don't eat, you know. All right, can you put this away, my dear?
The smell is local. It smells quite local.
You mean real?
Yes, the smell.
You mean authentic, right?
The aroma.
Oh, go. Wow. Okay. Whoa.
Viewers, I'm happy you guys are learning.
You said it's what? Call the name again.
NDORI.
NDORI should be
NDORI.
Olefuro.
But you know this is actually nutritious.
Okay, the mouth is
Because of the
changing.
vegetable. Finish.
Their point of views are changing.
No, now there is fish.
I've not said anything.
There's
No. You cannot
vegetable,
understand what you are
there's
doing
onion.
here. It's Noella that is talking.
It's actually
Oyo.
it's actually
Your case.
quite nutritious.
You want to
it
add,
will have
you see,
a lot of.
you see, oh, you don't even know what you are doing. You want to add vegetable oil.
A little bit more oil. It's a bit dry, so that the potato can mix a bit.
Which one is poto again?
Go no. See,
Yeah, but it looks nice.
you are drooling
Add
already.
this one now.
You are
It looks
drooling.
very
You
nice.
see how stuff. See how.
I'm not adding anything. I'm okay. Try eat them.
But you know the nutritional value of this will be plenty in the
I'm here to understand
water
what
leaf,
you're doing.
ugu, and everything.
Try. Indeed,
One side oil, one side vegetable.
Because your table is slanted.
No, it's not the table. Let's balance it. Oh yeah.
Indeed, what do you think? The smell alone.
It smells local.
I have kata.
Hey, local.
Shawo won't come out.
Because you're the one that cooks it.
Shawo won't come out.
We will call somebody that
Uche won't come out.
we will call somebody that will taste it. We will call somebody.
Oh,
You cannot cook
Is it
at
off?
the same time, eat
That's
your
a little bit
food,
salty too.
and
Exactly. You know, nobody
Yes,
will say that
nobody, yes.
the soup where mama cook, no sweet.
Okay, viewers, we are back to taste what Uche actually made. He made NDORI and boiled yam. Wow. So,
Wow.
I warned you guys before now.
Uche, serve while I call somebody to taste with Noella.
So, you know, I'm going to taste too, so I would advise
Try.
this goes to...
Or gonna be far.
Okay, I need let
of
Noella
Noella?
start.
Should I
Noella
show you how
start.
to eat it before you start tasting?
No,
Okay, show them.
I don't need to. Oh, you can show.
Yeah. Maybe there's a way.
Wait, let me remove this.
Let Noella
Don't remove
start.
anything. Everything
No,
is there.
I want to remove this.
No, leave it.
It's okay.
Leave it. Leave it.
That's from the yam.
Leave
I want to
it.
remove this.
Shebi is not from the snake, it's from yam. Be careful, it's quite hot, the yam, eh? So get some of the juicy.
Follow the way he's
Fish.
telling you to do it. No. How far? This one that you're not smiling. Hey! Nwa is not smiling.
It's not so tasty.
It's not so tasty.
It's not so tasty.
Everything. Totally.
It's not so tasty. It needed more salt. Like if I were to do this, I would have loved seasoning cube in it.
Okay, but
Or more salt.
okay, but try, you can people.
But all in all, it's very nice. Like the nutritional value. I would rather eat it because of the nutritional value,
Okay.
not because of the taste.
Wait, I
I'll
can't wait
give
to
you.
taste this thing.
Wait, you can taste.
You can
while I'm
take. Let
talking.
her finish.
I'll
What
give
would
you.
you?
Ndori.
What would you
I'll
score?
give you.
Cow.
I'll give you 60.
Ndori.
68.
68%.
Ana tondori ndori.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
good.
Basage.
Viewers,
It's your
68%.
business.
68 is good.
So scenario.
Even if you give me 10,
I'll give you 68. It's good.
are you the
It's
headmaster?
very good, but not like it's.
Scenario, let's go.
See, eh?
Okay.
Noella,
Yes.
I wonder why you're giving this a 68.
What are you?
That's
to
her
give
own-
us? That's my
Because
own.
this is a real
That's my own
village
discretion.
delicacy.
Okay.
It really tastes like something my grandma would make.
Okay. So you
It
think.
needs salt. It
So
needs.
so
What
you're
do you think,
saying
man?
the sauce, everything, the
Though it
seasoning.
needs, like she said, it needs a bit of salt.
Salt.
Just a
It
little.
leads to,
but
but in all, generally, the way you are rushing your concentrating on the
This
food,
is-
you are not
Are
doing
you
it.
hungry?
hold on.
Are you hungry?
Excuse me.
When you make something
it's
very
time
good.
to
Collect your
collect
food.
Hold on now.
Okay, scenario,
Okay.
let's hear. Collect your
Stop.
food. Stop
Okay.
eating.
Chief job.
But wait,
Oh, yeah, talk to
you
me.
prepared this for God's sake.
Stop
Allow
a
me
minute.
eat.
Nah, chief.
No.
Thank you.
Nah,
You
I've
have
never
enough.
gotten. Wait. I need to get the thing.
You
gotten it.
Wait, a little bit more. You
No,
know, the final
no.
one, the final one.
Okay.
I'll give this a 9.5.
9.5.
That's
That's
95.
95%.
Yeah, nice one.
68. So viewers, we have seen it. Nice.
You're not
I
supposed
didn't
to be
taste it, so
judging
I
because you
know.
don't know anything about cooking. A boy is not supposed to be judging this. Sure you know. Viewers, sure you know.
Give me some sauce.
A boy is not supposed to be judging.
Okay. I've not said anything, Abi. No comment.
When did you even start tasting? Who made you a taster?
Today, I have the power. Yo, Linda Biazia. This, I can eat this morning, afternoon, night. Honestly. It's nice. I'm not a salt person. This
God bless
is for
you.
me.
Continue this
Thank
sauce.
you very much. Okay, viewers, we'll be right back while I continue the eating. Thank you.
Are you alright?
Thank you, Tinero.
Bring the foodie. Welcome back, viewers. Uche made sorry, pardon my what's it called? My dialect. Ifendoli for us. Oh, he calls it Iyendoli. I don't know.
Iyendori.
Okay, so
Iyendori.
what could you have done better on the Iyendori delicacy?
You know, the kitchen was too ajipata-ish for me, first of all.
Okay.
It's too tushed.
Yeah.
I like more a village feeling.
Okay.
For a village meal. But I wished I had like not so hard, tough vegetables, maybe the fresher ones.
Okay.
The tender vegetables.
ones. Okay.
Okay,
Then seasoning as well.
What kind of seasoning?
We had seasoning over there.
Yeah, but I mean, I wish I'd put in a lot of seasoning. But we're advised, or we're taught to put the salt while you're cooking, not after cooking.
Okay, so you don't eat raw salt.
Exactly, it's not so
Yes.
healthy. Yeah.
So do you still believe boys cook better than girls?
Everybody knows we cook better.
With this your own way, salt.
Maybe we should look at the plates.
Maybe you did in NDORI.
NDORI.
Maybe we should have given you something on our own.
Yes.
Do you
Maybe I
understand?
think this is the only thing you know how to do.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Because if we
Because
had given you something else, you would have failed.
You would have done something fantastic. You decided to do what you feel you know how to do.
And
best.
what you feel we don't know.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult to judge you.
Yeah. So difficult.
Sorry, Chief Magistrate, no vex.
Thank you so much for the nutritious.
I don't want to say
delicious, nutritious meal.
I learned so much. I'm going to try it at home.
Now, Shay, you're not concerned about the taste.
No, not. I mean priority. I mean not concern priority.
I'm going to try
the
it at home.
priority is
Well,
the nutrition.
Leave me now.
Before the thing go come.
I don't understand what's going on here.
I don't know for you. Now shake.
This is your Ebola.
Give it up. Give it up for your cola.
I thought it was a prop in the set. You know?
Really? My shoe prop? Am I really? No way.
Anyway, thank you so much for coming on the show. There's on behalf of the executive producer, the crew members, the anchors, we say thank you for coming on, boys.
There's some champagne happening here.
You want to check it?
Oh, no, maybe. Okay.
You don't
Okay, I understand.
Unless some wine companies come, you know.
I know. It's all in the marketplace, eh?
Yeah.
I know. I'll
So
check
do you
it out.
have anything to tell us?
I think cooking is not just only to cook a meal, it also brings people together.
Yeah.
And I've had a nice time here today. And I also think the team here is fantastic. You girls are
Thank you so much.
keep doing what you're doing. And it's so weird that girls are anchoring a boys can cook show.
Yes.
It's
It's not weird. I think it's good.
Chukwubola.
Yes, now. A boy cannot judge a boy.
Noella.
Noella.
I'm married, please.
Hey! My case is like this. I will not talk. We have come to the end of this episode of Boys Can Cook. All right, viewers, you can catch us. Don't mind him, sorry. All right, viewers, you can catch us same time, same channel for another interesting episode. I hope you had fun just like we did. And I am Noella Nwanko signing out.
Cutting eye for Uche.